Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to hide online status on Facebook. So if you want to hide your online status on Facebook, first of all open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook application, tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right corner. After tapping on the three-bar icon, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. After tapping on Settings, tap on Search icon which is on the top and type Audience and Visibility. After tapping on Audience and Visibility, tap on Active Status which is on the bottom. After tapping on Active Status, you can easily turn off your active status by tapping on here. After tapping there, tap on Turn Off. So now your account has been turned off. This is how you turn off active status on your Facebook account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.